Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something incredibly powerful, manifestation. Whether you're looking to attract more money, love, success, or happiness into your life, this video will help you unlock the secret to bringing your dreams to life. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Alright, so what exactly is manifestation? It's the idea that you can bring your desires into reality through focused intention, visualization, and positive thinking. It's not just about sitting back and waiting for the universe to deliver. Manifestation is a process that requires action, energy, and alignment with what you want. Step 1. Set clear intentions. This is the foundation of your manifestation practice. You need to know exactly what you want. Think about it, if you're trying to reach a destination, you wouldn't just get in the car and drive aimlessly, right? You need a map, a clear goal. The same applies here. Get clear about your desires, write them down, and make them as specific as possible. For example, instead of writing, I want to be rich, you could write, I am attracting financial abundance through new business opportunities and investments. The more detailed, the better. Step 2. Visualization. This is where the magic happens. Visualization is the act of mentally experiencing what you want as if it's already happening. Picture yourself living that dream, whether it's you walking into your dream home, getting that promotion at work, or spending time with loved ones in a peaceful setting. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and imagine your ideal reality. The more vivid and emotional you can make the experience, the better. The universe responds to feelings and energy, so when you feel it, you're sending that signal out there. Step 3. Affirmations. These are positive statements that reinforce your belief in your ability to manifest. They reprogram your subconscious mind and help you believe that what you want is already on its way. For example, if you're manifesting abundance, you could say, I am worthy of unlimited wealth and success. Repeat these daily, when you wake up, before bed, or even during meditation. The more you believe it, the more it becomes your reality. Step 4. Gratitude. This is probably one of the most important steps. Gratitude is the key to attracting more of what you want. When you appreciate what you already have, you send out positive energy, and that energy attracts even more blessings. Take a moment every day to write down or think about what you're thankful for. It could be something small, like your morning coffee or a smile from a stranger. Gratitude helps to raise your vibration and keeps you in a state of abundance. Step 5. Take inspired action. Now, here's where the magic and the work come together. Manifestation isn't just about thinking, it's about doing. When you start to take action toward your goals, the universe can guide you toward the right opportunities, but you have to show up. If you're trying to manifest a new job, start applying. If it's financial abundance, look into ways to invest or create new income streams. Manifestation and action go hand in hand. And there you have it. Those are the 5 powerful steps to manifesting your dreams into reality. Setting clear intentions, visualizing your success, repeating affirmations, practicing gratitude, and taking inspired action. So, what's something you're excited to manifest? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your goals. And remember, manifestation is a journey, not an overnight fix. Be patient with yourself, trust the process, and know that you're capable of achieving everything you desire. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who could use a little manifestation magic in their life. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay positive and keep manifesting.